Hey, what's happening, guys? Bruno here, like usual, from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. I'm tired of saying that. You guys should know this by now. Anyways, I've been working on the trunk lid on the Buick here, and I got one more panel to go. And then that'll be it for the polishing, for the most part, other than just deswirling it. And hopefully that'll wrap it up. But anyways, I just wanted to show you here. I've been using 3M. Hold on, give me 1 second. I've used, so when we go back to the trunk lid here, on the right side or the passenger side, let me flip you over. On the passenger side, I used this here, right, with this pad on my orbital. And then on the driver's side, I used this. Now, let's go check it out. Look at all the masking. I'm going to unwrap it soon here. All right. I don't know if you guys can see anything at all. Let me see here. Hopefully I don't drop this phone on here. Just want to see here if I can. Okay. You see here? Okay. You see all that there in there? See? All right. So that's the passenger side. There you go. See? All right. Now look at the driver's. This is just one round here of this too also. I'm going to go over it probably twice. I went over this once on each side. But I mean, look at this side. It's not perfect, but damn near. So, I'm definitely, the FARECLA stuff, I don't know, man. I've tried so many different things. And the FARECLA stuff I keep coming back to because there's nothing better. Like seriously, this is way deeper, more black, just richer looking, cleaner. Let's see one little spot here. But like I said, I got to go over it one more time. I'm just for deswirling. But when you look at this side by side, like there's no comparison. It's crazy how different it looks. The camera's doing funny things because of the bump there when I'm moving, the body line. Oh, there's a good light there, see? You see how on this side you got all those, see? Look at here, see? All right, see on this side? All you see is a little bit of marring here, just slightly. But it's pretty much like gone. Like just by looking at it like visually here, you can't even tell. Like this looks perfectly smooth, and this you can see right away there's still some, micro scratches in it. So there you go. Just wanted to post that in case somebody else is trying to figure out what the hell to use. So that's what I'm using here for my deswirling on my orbital. It's probably a little bit too fine of an action, but it just takes a little longer. But that's okay, it works good. So yeah, I've everything done now, so I'm gonna unwrap the other side there and then start sanding away on there. And then, yeah, that'll be done. And then I'll unwrap it and just see if I gotta maybe go over something quick again here just before I'm done here. But anyways, that's about it. But man, look at that, eh? Oh yeah, the back there, I kind of did a little bit, but I'm not, because we gotta get the vinyl on there. Probably gonna be some hand prints in there. Whatever. I'm not gonna get too carried away there yet, but. I mean, holy moly, this is incredible. Oh yeah, Yeah, see, when I move the light, look at that, you can see it right away. And see this side? It's just very, very smooth. There's some very minimal stuff in there, but very, not really hardly noticeable to the eye. The camera actually picks it up more than I can see it with my eyes. Wow. So this is it. This is it. Yeah, this is it, guys. All right, guys. Time to get back to work here. Boss is calling. All right, bye.